Story time by GWD Kids. Sounds of the City. Here comes the big red bus with a toot 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 sound. And there goes a scooter zipping around town. Look at the sailboat bobbing in the bay. And listen to the airplane zooming away. Can you hear the car go vroom vroom? And the bicycle going ring-a-ding-ding. The garbage truck with a clank and a clunk carries away the junk.